Good morning. This year's monsoon season has come to an end, and that means the summer vacation season is here for Korea. And we'll be dealing with sweltering temperatures to start the week. Many southern parts are waking up to a heat wave advisory with an expected high of 33 degrees Celsius or even higher for those regions. So let's take a closer look at today's temperatures. A warm and sticky start to the day. Jeju and Seoul had tropical nights as lows remained above 25 degrees throughout the night. Lots of clouds to start the day in Seoul, Daegu and Chuncheon this morning. Daily highs will be similar to a couple notches higher than Sunday, as Seoul will get up to 30 degrees Celsius. Daegu and Gyeongju will be sweltering hot at 34 degrees this afternoon. You know, the heat has not been too bad this summer, but many are talking about the high humidity. Well, humidity levels will remain high in most parts this week, while temperatures in Seoul will be in the low 30s under a fair amount of sunshine. But do expect sporadic showers at times. That's Korea for you, and here's the international weather for viewers around the world.